Here's my intro. Alright, what's going on, guys? We're back with another video. We're eating Chipotle at the beach. Yeah? What we got? Susie, you want to come on to the vlog?
Sure.
This is Susie. She's making a sandcastle right now.
Watch.
Look.
Oh, look, she about to flip it?
Like that? Nah,
This
trust.
is too heavy.
She can't even lift it.
She can't flip it.
Can you do
Go.
it for me?
Oh,
I can't. It's
Jesus
heavy.
Christ.
Oh my God, sand is
But
so
what if I
heavy.
mess it up?
Just
Okay.
Well, then it's your fault.
I'm gonna mess it up on purpose because I want my shit to come out better. Alright, wait.
I'll get up in the bottom though.
Slide. Ready? I think I fucked it up. I think I messed it up.
How do I take it out? Do I
Just pull it out from the bottom. Come on, Susie!
Oh!
I got a little door on this side. And
No,
everything.
right?
That's
Just
clean.
Pound it, you know.
It would be sad if I just...
No!
I'm getting a crash.
Who's jumping in the water?
Not me, you.
Bitch. You're not down! You're not down! Freddy! 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 Freddy!
How was it?
I can't feel my body. It's cold, huh? Really cold.
How was it?
My nipples are fucking hard.
Huh? Wait, no, I wouldn't trust that. You're gonna fall back. What? Go. One.
You got shit all over you.
Man, I wanna get dirty with you.
You so naughty, bitch. Oh, now I gotta clean up, guys.
All right, let's go. Look at me, baby.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Oh! I'll see you guys. Bye. Bye. Dude, we can't buy Franny these fucking milkshakes. look at the little Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Wide. He looks like, what do you say?
You got basketball shorts, some Nike.
Why you sound like that?
Alright, so let me show you my whip, though. Come here.
Right.
Alright, so right here, you know, I got the Seagull. Look at these fresh ass wheels, you know?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Look, see? Oh, fuck.
Wow.
Look. That's how you know you don't clean them bitches.
Let me see.
Alright. And then we come over here, though. No badges.
No badges.
No fucking badges.
No fucking
You don't
badges.
fuck with cars with no badges, dog.
Yeah.
Come over here, though.
Come here.
Come over here.
Uh-huh. Okay, buddy. Okay. So what do you do for a living, man?
Oh, no.
Alright, what do you do for a living, man?
I don't know.
You don't know either. So you're just rich and you own this fucking Porsche?
Yeah,
Alright.
that's the life.
Just vibing. Oh, just vibes and you get a Porsche. Oh, that's so cute.
He's lying.
What? He's lying?
I've seen him sell that ass.
Oh, OnlyFans/justvibing.com. There it is. What's up? You got an OnlyFans too? Not when you stand like this. Every fucking Saturday we get one of these. Literally.
Look at him enjoying that shit.
He likes that shit. Look at him.
What was that?
What was that, bro? Susie's tired of your shit, dog.
I think I'm driving.
No, man. I don't know, man. That milkshake got you off. Types of fucked up. All right, guys, we're here with the boy Jose. We're gonna start a fire.
Yeah. I mean, it starts.
Oh. Okay, you're gonna wet it too much. Put another wood.
Okay.
Look at this guy. Check it. Ready?
Yo, ahorita his fucking dick is on fire, dude.
Check it. Check me out. Oh, that shit. I got scared. I think I was
When I saw that flame, I was like, yeah, now I'm gonna bother, dude. I just see like.
If you guys reached this far into the video, thank you guys so much for watching. I have a lot of video ideas that I'm gonna pull through with them. And I'm not gonna lie, these past few videos I know I've been just throwing a bunch of, you know, like, you know, I would just get with like all the clips and just put them all together and just throw them in there, like, without even trying. Like, you know, I wasn't really putting effort into it, but I just wanted to get a video out every single week. But I'd rather just, if I'm gonna put something, I want to put something that I'm gonna enjoy and everybody else is gonna enjoy. It's just, the only thing, it's just kind of hard, like, coming up with ideas, but we're working on that. We're working on that. And I got some friends, you know, that are always trying to help me, like, cook up some ideas and stuff. So a lot of cool things coming soon, though. A lot. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Did I say comment already? Yeah, like, subscribe, comment, share, and share, and like, and comment, and subscribe. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.